300. My goodness. So, and I think 15 years is enough for me to be with some people na, alam mo yan, kasi this industry is a dog-eats-dog industry. But I want to change that. And through Creative Voices culture, nag-iiba. Kasi syempre, may harmony na eh. Uy, galing sa isang school yan. Parang, mga taga-UP tayo, UP grad lahat yan. Magaling yan. Parang ganun yung principle. So wala rin namang question sila dahil magagaling naman talaga lahat ng mga may dada galing dito. Kasi hindi naman namin kukunin yan kung hindi talaga magaling. Na never in history nangyari yan na may influx of new voice artists. Because there's a school already. Creative Voices and Philippine Center for Voice Acting is the Ateneo Lasal UP of the workforce sa Pilipinas. So parang, imagine mo, hindi pwedeng puro kumpanya lang. Saan ka kukuha ng mga tao mo? Siyempre sa eskwelahan. Sa dubbing agency, walang school. Ang nangyayari tuloy, napaka-professional. Yung kamag-anak, kaibigan, kakilala system. Literal ka pa, kapamilya, kapatid, kapuso. And you listen, watch mo yung TV5, 7, 2, isa boses. Kung sino nag-boses kay Superman, siya rin si Batman, siya rin si Spider-Man, my God. In America, it will never happen. Because there are so-called audition. Ang audition ang nagpapatunay na karapat dapat yung taong para ilagay mo sa particular character. Dito hindi. Kung hindi ka malakas dun sa Hi Nicole, hello, wala yung boyfriend mo, nandun may pasok. Yung anak ko boyfriend niya. Naintindihan niyo yung ibig sabihin. And that's why this workshop, punong-puno siya ng passion. Because we really want to share what we have. 100, 200, 300% of what we know. Gusto namin i-share yan. Because there's no such thing as secret. As long as you share it. Tama? Kasi sila lahat secretive eh. O secreto ah. Alright? Lahat yan nagawa ko ng sariling sikap. Wala akong kinautangan ng loob. Pero meron akong, kumbaga, masasabing mga nagtiwala sa aking kakayahan. Una-una dyan si Danny Mandia. Pinakwento ko kayo sa inyo kanina. Isang karakter lang, sasabihin ko lang, lisanin na natin ang dagat ngayon. Inago pa sa akin. The first line that I say doon sa isang anime, lisanin na natin ang dagat ngayon. Ay, hindi bagay, pinalitan ako on the spot. Alam mo yung, gusto mo umiyak na, pero thanks to them. I thank them for doing that to me. Kasi kung hindi nila ginawa yun sa akin, walang creative voices. Walang voice master. So I want to prove to them that they are wrong. E ngayon, nakikipag-friend sila sa akin. Sorry. I mean, the good thing, yung iba, kinuha ko pa sa project ko. Okay, ako, director mo ngayon, ikaw, dabber ka pa rin. May guess niyo? Sweet revenge ang tawag na. And I will come up a book called The Voice Master's Booth. Voice Master's Booth. Ibig sabihin, sa booth lang naman nangyayari lahat eh. Dapat nga microphone eh. But, mas gusto ko yung booth. Mas malawak yan. Kompleto. Ang microphone, pag walang digital audio workstation yan, hindi yan mag-work. Kung microphone lang. Yeah. These are some of my mentors. Si Loisa Cruz Canlas, si Matar. Yeah. Si Eng. Kung matagal na yan. Old school radio drama yan. Si Tia Terry Magpayo. Kilala niyo? Ito ang inyong Tia Terry. And these are my mentors in the US. Si James Alberger at si Penny Abshire. Siya yung writer ng The Art of Voice Acting. Okay? And I am the only Filipino who they literally recognize as the game changer in this country. I don't need the recognition of my fellow voice talents or voice artists. As long as I get the recognition of my students. Because they will be the next generation of voice artists. Bakit? Sila nga hindi nila recognize ng sarili nila. But good thing I am recognized by the media. Okay lang yun.